So here we already proved. So this distance CS is equal to A into E, and also you proved CZ. So CZ is equal to A divided by E. The diagram is symmetrical about both x-axis and y-axis here, because even power of x and y, then x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 here. So both x and y square terms are there. If there are square terms, then it is symmetrical about both x-axis as well as y-axis here. But suppose if you consider this one here, this is a parabola, y square is equal to 4ax here. In this case, only y term is a square. Only y term is a square. In this case, it is a symmetrical about x-axis here. So even y square is equal to minus of 4ax here. In this case, the curve is symmetrical about only y-axis here. Sorry, x-axis. In this case, x square is equal to 4ay. Here x square term is there, square of x here. Therefore, the curve is symmetrical about only y-axis. So similarly, here x square is equal to minus 4ay. In that case, the curve is symmetrical about y-axis here. But here both x square and y square terms are there. The curve is symmetrical about both x-axis as well as y-axis here. That is important result here. Next, here coordinate of s is a comma 0. Okay, coordinate of s is a comma 0. S dash lies left side here. Here you know x coordinate of negative s dash. Here coordinate of s dash is minus a comma 0. Then the coordinate of z here, this distance is a upon e already proved here. Hence the coordinate of z becomes a upon e comma 0, and the coordinate of this z dash becomes coordinate of z dash is minus a upon e comma 0. And you know this distance CA is a unit, CA dash is also a unit. Therefore, a coordinate of the point A here. So it is a0 and a dash minus a comma 0. Okay, and you know this distance here, the directrix here, that directrix are parallel to this y-axis here. This y-axis having a distance a upon e. Therefore, equation of this directrix here, equation of this directrix is x is equal to a upon e. This is also directrix parallel to y-axis, but it lies left side here. Therefore, its equation is x is equal to minus of a divided by e. Minus a upon e is the equation of this directrix here. And you know, equation of x-axis, this is a major axis here. X-axis is called a major axis. X-axis is called a major axis here. And its equation, you know, equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0 is the its equation here. Y-axis is called a minor axis here. Y-axis is called a minor axis, and you know, equation of y-axis always x is equal to 0. That is x is equal to 0. Okay, and center, C is the center here. Center is origin here. So C is center of the ellipse here. So its coordinate is 0, 0. So S dash are the four side. Then A dash, these are ends of the major axis here. And A dash, these are called ends of the major axis. And here this distance B. So consider this is B here, and this is B dash. This is a B, and this is also B here. This is a B. This is also B. Coordinate of point B is 0, comma Bn. Coordinate of B dash is 0 minus of Bn. Therefore, length of the major axis is 2a. Length of major axis. Here a dash here, that is a dash is equal to 2a. Then the length of the minor axis here. Length of the minor axis means b dash here. It is 2bn. Length of the minor axis. And you already proved in the theorem b square is equal to a square into bracket 1 minus e square. Already in the theorem you take b square equal to a square to 1 minus e square. Okay. Therefore, by using this formula, you can find the eccentricity. Just take a square this side. B square divided by a square is equal to 1 minus of e square. Take e square this side, b square by a square that side here. So e square is equal to 1 minus of b square divided by a square. And take a square right side, it becomes root here. You can find eccentricity. You can find eccentricity using this formula. Okay, so this is about diagramming. Then you have to find latus rectum also. Latus rectum is a line passing to the focus parallel to y-axis here. This is called a latus rectum. There is one more latus rectum this side here. First you find here, it's a length and ends of the latus rectum here. So latus rectum of the ellipse here. So this is a diagram here. So through focus, yes, draw the line perpendicular to this major axis. X is called a major axis here, perpendicular to major axis. To cut the curve at L and L dash here, then L dash is called a latus rectum of the ellipse here. You have to find its length and its coordinate also. Consider coordinate of this point L is x coordinate is CS here, and y coordinate is LS here. Okay, so here L is equal to x coordinate CS and y coordinate is LS here. This point lies on the ellipse here. Okay, this point lies on the ellipse. You already proved here. Equation of the ellipse is x square by a square plus y square divided by b square is equal to 1 here. So x is a CS here. So CS it's a square divided by a square plus y coordinate is LS here. So LS it's a square divided by b square is equal to 1 here. And you already proved CS is equal to A into E here. So CS is AE. So A square divided by A square plus. So LS square divided by b square is equal to 1 here, because so CS is equal to A into E, we already proved here. So it becomes a square here. Then A square get cancels here. Remaining is E square. Take E square right hand side here. So LS square divided by b square, and right side 1 is there. Take E square right hand side, it becomes a E square here, 1 minus E square. Then take a b square that side here. So LS it's a square here is equal to b square into 1 minus of E square. Take result number 1 here. Take result number 1. Next we have proved here, especially in the theorem here. Okay, so we know that from the theorem. So b square is equal to a square into bracket 1 minus e square. In the theorem, we have taken this one as b square. B square equal to a square into 1 minus e square. And a cross multiplier, so b square divided by a square is equal to 1 minus e square. Take this one as equation number 2. Use 1 minus e square is equal to b square by a square here. Just replace this term by this b square by a square here. Therefore, from 1 and 2 here. From 1 and 2, ls square here. ls square is equal to b square is there. So write here b square into 1 minus e square is a b square by a square. So it is a b square by a square here. Therefore, ls it's a square is equal to b square divided by a whole square here. Because b square into b square becomes b raised to 4. B raised to 4 upon a square is b square upon a whole square here. Then this square cancels. Therefore, ls is equal to what here? B square divided by this length. ls is equal to b square upon a. It is called length of the semi-lattice sector here. So therefore, length of semi-lattice sectum is equal to b square by a. B square by a. And you know the curve is symmetrical, means ls must be equal to sl dash here. Both are equal. If this distance is b square by a, even this is also b square by a. B square by a plus b square by a becomes 2b square by a. Therefore, length of the lattice sector is. Therefore, length of lattice rectum is equal to 2 times b square divided by a. This is a b square by a. This is also b square upon a here. It's a sum gives 2b square upon a. This is a length of the semi-lattice rectum. This is the length of the lattice rectum here. Okay. Later you observe the diagram here. So it's CS. You already proved CS is a here. Therefore, coordinate of point L here. Therefore, L is equal to AE. CS is AE. And LS you already proved here. LS is what here? B square upon A. So it is B square divided by A. Coordinate of L is AE comma B square upon A. L dash it is in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, X coordinate positive, Y coordinate negative here. Therefore, L dash becomes, so L dash becomes X is a positive here and Y is a negative, minus of B square upon A. Then L1 dash is also one more lattice sectum here. Passing to this focus. This is also lattice sectum. Its length is the same, 2b square by only. But the coordinates are different because L1 is in the second quadrant here. In the second quadrant, X negative and Y positive here. Therefore, L1 is equal to minus AE comma B square divided by A. Then L1 dash, it is in the third quadrant. Third quadrant X negative, also negative, both are negative. So L1 dash is minus of AE minus of B square divided by A. So these are the ends of the lattice rectum. Very important results.